Let's take a look at these storm stingers. That's how the car looks. It comes in pieces. You have to build it on your own. That's how the engine looks. That's the remote, and you control it this way. It can go in all these directions. It's battery operated. It's made by Ligao company. This costs around 799 rupees, or around $13 or so, and this is what you get. This is the chassis, which is pre-built. That's where the wheels go. You get a separate pack of all the wheels and the remote parts. You also get an instruction manual. It's a simple build. These are some of the other models available. The car needs about 3 AA batteries, and the remote needs about 3 AAA batteries. So let's build it. That's how it looks once it's built. Instructions are not that clear, but still quite an easy build. That's how the remote looks. It's fun to play with it though. Quite nice. Check it out.